Hey Rom, here's a quick demo of what I've been working on the past couple days. So here in the add template, once you've got a form uploaded, you can create a new template, set all these to whatever you want. Let's call it test for now. Right now you can see the two templates that are in there are data and data2 JSON. So let's call this data3. And once you hit save template, it saves it to the server. Let's see here, refresh, there's data3 JSON. It's an empty array. So you can go and define template. There's nothing in there currently, so data3 doesn't have any. Actually, this is old. I've got to work on having this select box auto refresh. Right now it doesn't. So data3 has nothing in it yet. These are a couple of other ones that were already in there. Data1, data2. So let's say we go to data3 and we want to add some fields in there. Draw that one. Let's draw one here. And it auto saves. Then you can go back to data2. Go back and forth between the templates. Or you can, from here, you can adjust the template. You can select, change these attribute types. Save that, and these different attribute categories, so that when you go back to a different template and you load this one again, the changes are saved and it's added to the template there. And once you have the template added and set the way you want it, and you go to workspace, that's where you can pick up the template. This one, it's currently picking up one of the other templates. I've got to set it so that these will update according to the ones you've created it in the templates page. But once you've got all those set, it shows the IDs associated with them. Then you can start the OCR reader and it spits them out over here with the IDs next to them. The values right now are static because they're not actually being read yet. I have to hook that in. But that's how it's working so far. But the main work I've been doing currently is just saving, being able to load and save templates dynamically, rename, create and name new custom templates, and be able to save them and adjust them back and forth to the server. So, got that working right now. Anyway, that's all for now.